morning to all. I am Dr.C.Amuthambigai, Assistant Professor of Physics, SFR College for Women, Sivagasi. Today we are going to learn about types and significance of research. First, we discuss about types of research. In general, we discuss only the 4 different types of research. First one is descriptive versus analytical research, then applied and fundamental research, then the third one is qualitative and quantitative research, and the final one is conceptual versus empirical research. First, we will see about descriptive versus analytical research. First, what is descriptive research? Descriptive research describes situation or phenomenon that is being studied. It focuses on answering what, when and where questions if a research problem rather than the why. It mainly because it is important to have a proper understanding of what a research problem is about before investing why it exists in the first place. It only gathers the precise information. But in the analytical research, it focuses on try to find out how something came. Analytical research asks why. Analytical research involves critical thinking skills and evaluation of facts and information relative to the research being conducted. It involves critical thinking skills and evaluation of facts and information relative to the research being conducted. Analytical research requires rigorous methodology and a clear framework to draw meaningful conclusions. This is the objective of descriptive and analytical research. In the descriptive research, it describes the current state of variable or condition. But in the analytical research, analytical research understand or explain why and how certain phenomena occur. The descriptive research focuses only on observing and recording data, but in the analytical research, it focuses on analyzing and interpreting data. Descriptive research data analysis is minimum, but in the analytical research, it focuses on understanding relationships. In this slide, we see about the key points of descriptive versus analytical research. In the descriptive research focuses on what is happening, but in the analytical research explores why it happens. Descriptive research employs observation and surveys of data, but in the analytical research it is mathematical or computational techniques. Descriptive research aims to identify only the patterns or trends, but the analytical research establishes the causation. Descriptive research is often qualitative only, but analytical research can be both qualitative and quantitative. The qualitative and quantitative research we will discuss in the later slides. Then the descriptive research results in specific findings, but the analytical research leads to general conclusions. Descriptive research is simpler and more straightforward, but the analytical research is more complex and involves deeper analysis. Next, we see about the second type of research, applied and fundamental research. This is the key points of applied and fundamental research. In the applied research, scientific study and research that seeks to solve practical problems. Applied research is used to find solutions to everyday problems and develop innovative technologies rather than acquire knowledge from knowledge's sake. For example, applied researchers may investigate ways to improve agricultural crop production, treat or cure a specific disease, improve the energy efficiency of homes, offices. But in the fundamental research is driven by a scientist's curiosity or interest in a scientific question. The main motivation is to expand man's knowledge, but not to create or invent something. There is no obvious commercial value to the discoveries that results from basic research. For example, basic scientific investigations probe for answers to questions such as how did the universe begin, what are protons, neutrons and electrons composed of. This is the objective focus of applied and fundamental research. Already we discussed in the previous slide. Next we move on to quantitative and qualitative research. First we see about qualitative research. Qualitative research is a research dealing with phenomena that are difficult or impossible to quantify mathematically, such as meanings, attributes and symbols. Quantitative researchers aim to gather an in-depth understanding of human behavior and the reasons that govern such behavior. The qualitative method investigates the why and how of decision making, not just what, where, when. In the quantitative research refers to systematic empirical investigation of any phenomena such as statistical, mathematical or computational techniques. The objective of quantitative research is to develop and employ mathematical models, theories or hypotheses pertaining to phenomena. Quantitative research is generally made use scientific methods which can include generation of models, theories and hypotheses, development of instruments and methods for measurement, experimental control and manipulation of variables, collection of empirical data, modeling and analysis of data, evaluation of results. Then we see about conceptual and empirical research. This is the fourth type. First, in the conceptual research, methodology wherein research is conducted by observing or analyzing already present information on a given topic. Conceptual research does not involve conducting any practical experiments. It is related to abstract concepts or ideas. Philosophers have long used conceptual research to develop new theories or interpret existing theories in a different light. But in the empirical research, it is a type of research methodology that makes use of verifiable evidence in order to arrive at research outcomes. This type of research relies solely on evidence obtained through observation or scientific data collection methods. It can be carried out using both qualitative or quantitative observation methods depending on the data sample, that is quantifiable data or non-numerical data. Unlike theoretical research that depends on preconceived notions about the research variables, empirical research carries a scientific investigation to measure the experimental probability of the research variables. Next, we will see about the significance of research. The significance of research lies in its ability to contribute to the advancement of knowledge and understanding in various fields. Here some of the key significance of research. Contributes to the development of new knowledge. Research provides new information, ideas and theories that can expand our understanding of a particular subject or phenomena. Second, supports decision making and policy development. Research provides evidence-based solution to complex problems and helps decision makers develop effective policies and practices. And third one, improves practices and processes. Research can identify new opportunities for innovation and help improve practices and processes in various fields such as healthcare, education and business. Then help solve real world problems. This research provides insight into the causes and factors that contribute to social, economic and environmental problems and helps identify effective solutions. Then promotes economic growth and development. Research can lead to the development of new technologies and products that can create jobs and stimulate economic growth. It also enhances the quality of life. Research can help improve the quality of life for individuals and communities for providing evidence-based solutions to healthcare, education and social issues. Overall, research plays a critical role in advancing knowledge and understanding, solving problems, promoting economic and social development. It provides evidence-based solutions to complex issues, supports effective decision-making and policy development, and it contributes to the improvement of practices and processes in various fields. Now we see about types of research and significance of research. Thank you.